Hi. In this class, we will explain the basic concept of ping, how the ping utility works, and how it is utilized in the context of networking and network monitoring. What is a ping, and how does a ping work? A ping is a command that can be used to test a connection between one device to another device. A ping is used to verify connectivity at an IP level. It does this by transmitting Internet Control Message Protocol, or ICMP, echo request messages, and waits for a return message. Usually, the ping command sends 4 ICMP request messages by default in Windows. It uses ICMP messages encapsulated within an IP packet. ICMP is considered as a network layer protocol. It does not use TCP or UDP, but it may be acted upon by the receiver using TCP or UDP. The sender device transmits ICMP messages to a remote device, and it includes the message type, echo request type 8, and echo request code 0 in the packet. The receiver device receives the ICMP echo request packet and prepares an ICMP echo reply packet for the sender device. The echo reply packet contains type 0 and code 0 fields in the ICMP packet. It really matters, while sending ICMP packets, how many responses get returned, and few more elements such as bytes sent and received, packet sent, packet received, and packet lost. Approximate round-trip time, in milliseconds, taken for the response. The ping can be initiated several times to test consistency in the connection. Why would I use ping? Pings are useful for a variety of reasons, including troubleshooting connectivity, devices, and networks. If you ever run a speed test on your computer or network, you have used the ping command, whether you knew it or not. You are bouncing a message off a remote server and testing the amount of time it takes to return. Ping is used to troubleshoot connectivity. Most commonly, it is used to verify the connection between two machines. You might use ping to test a network printer or copier connection to determine whether a device is offline or to verify you can connect to a router. If you are having trouble with an application hosted over a network on a server, one of the first things you want to do is check the connection using a series of ping commands to help you narrow down the problem. If a ping comes back with fast response times, your connection is good, so the problem likely lies with the server or application. You can also ping websites to see if they are operating and whether there is a problem with the connection. Almost any network-connected device will respond to a ping, which makes it incredibly valuable to check networking connections. Ping can be used to test routers or servers for throughput and speed. You can also ping across a range of addresses to find each attached device in a particular range. You can test computer names and addresses of computers. If a ping comes back showing a successful connection but has long response times, you are likely facing a routing, congestion, or networking issue. A ping command can be run manually or automated as a scheduled task for monitor network reliability. When a ping fails, it means there is a problem. If the ping command does not get a response from the host, you will see either nothing returned or get a request timeout notification. It also means there is a problem. Do all devices forward or respond to pings? No, this is up to the network administrator of the device. Devices, including routers, can be configured not to reply to pings. This is why you may not always be able to ping a device. Also, routers can be configured not to forward ping's response to other devices.